So, this is my helicopter that I made. Pretty big ass one. About 2 feet long. About 5 pounds. It's pretty awesome. Okay, so the front is pretty awesome. As you can tell, it's kind of bulked up quite a bit. So, the oncoming enemies will just get murdered by it. And the 2 front, windows for the cockpit open up with 2 guys inside, right there, right here, and it's pretty awesome. And then this is a gunner, and then pilot. Yeah. On the side, I have a guy, an M60. Oops. I attached this to this gun to make it even better. As you can tell, pretty scary. Then you got the little guy right there, just waiting to shoot somebody down. That. But all the enemies are probably going to be dead because of that. Yeah. Put that back on. And this door closes, but I took off the handle to make it close because it started getting jammed. So yeah. And then my helicopter has 4 engines, 2 on this side and 2 on the other. And top looks pretty cool. It's got engines, and then yeah, I just added that stuff. And then on the back, I really like the back. The back looks like this. Little rotating minigun right here. And some tail wings. And then I just recently added these 2 missiles. And I really like this part. This opens up, and then this opens up. So, with a little guy inside. That's what it looks like. Yeah. So this is what it is. 2 feet, 5 pounder helicopter. Oops. Yeah, it took me a few days to build. And then my recent edition, I made like a little helicopter pad. This is it. This is where the helicopter goes. And then for the side, I'll put an AA gun. Goes up and down, 360 spin, and then turret goes up and down. It's remote control. This guy right there. I don't know why I put a remote control, because the guy just can fit back there, right there. Put the control pad right there, and yeah, and then the little pathway, and then stairs to get out, and yeah, it took me a while to build, especially this. This used to look a lot dumber and weaker, but then I just sexified it. Made it sexy. And yeah. 360 spin. It's got a little scope. And then, yeah. When it's done, it looks like this. Oh yes. And then I got the little commander. Finish it off. Oh yes. So yeah. It's my little creation. I don't think it's miniature, but pretty big ass. Look at them apples. That's right. That's it.